correspondent of Sharon Metric Higher Secondary School, principal, members from the management, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Good morning to you all. It is my pleasure to be part of this wonderful event of seed ball distribution that is being organized by your school and being given away to all the people of Villathukulam town and villages, nearby villages. Seed ball making is a old concept, but it has been effectively put to use in the recent times. It is nothing but ensuring our green cover increases. Finally, what is the aim and objective of seed ball making? You want to increase this green cover. You want to plant more trees. So this is a very effective way of spreading the green cover. More seed balls you make, it's very easy to make seed balls. Instead of taking a sapling and planting, which requires effort, time, money, effort, a lot of effort. This is the easiest way to do it. You can just sit at home, make 1,000 balls and just distribute them. You don't even have to distribute, you just have to throw them, that's it. That's the concept. That's why this seed ball is developed. You can just take a handful of them, go to an empty place and just throw them. It will automatically start growing after a couple of spell of rain, or say little water also, that's enough. So forest cover, green cover increase is very important in this generation. You all are in a generation where you must be seeing a lot of droughts. Luckily in the Ashram there is heavy rain everywhere, and we are above normal monsoon. But this is not the situation always. You always it's a cyclic thing. There is an effect of climate change which you can clearly see. 2015 the floods. After 16-17 is a drought year, severe drought. Again 18 was a normal year. 19 again we have above normal monsoon. So this is a very seasonal climatic change which you can notice. So you will not always expect heavy rains. Many of the time there is a drought. If there is a drought, you will not have drinking water. You will not have any food grains, production will come down. Agriculture production will come down. And it will affect us finally. So this particular generation, what main social cause you select pannita focus the most important social cause is increasing the green cover. That is the most important thing, biggest contribution you will be giving to your next generation or to the nature. In the uses of trees and green cover, you're all students, you're all well educated, you know what are the benefits. Thoothukudi district, Thoothukudi city is now considered one of the most polluted cities. Non-attainment cities, the top state layer, one city select Thoothukudi. Not non-attainment and the pollution levels above the normal levels and so. So one of the best and effective ways to address this pollution problem is plantation of trees. More and more trees you plant, your pollution levels will come down, then you will have fresh air to breathe. Pollution you will get a lot of diseases, respiratory diseases. Your normal life will be affected. You will be facing a lot of problems by breathing, while walking, you don't feel like going out. So the best way to have green and clean air is to plant a lot of trees. So that's why in Thoothukudi city limits and the surrounding limits, we are now on the massive plantation drive. Or 50 acres land, we are planning to create a forest. Or a new forest we are planning to create there. Almost tender mudichittu, we are going to start the work there. So the aim is to create as many trees as possible so that you will have fresh air to breathe for the people. So அதே போல நீங்க கூட உங்களுடைய லெவல்ல சின்ன கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் உங்க சைடுல என்ன பண்ண முடியும்னு சொன்னா இது மாதிரி நிறைய சீட் பால்ஸ் எல்லாம் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணதோட முக்கியமா உங்களுடைய வீட்ல இருக்கா போதுமான அளவுக்கு ட்ரீஸ் இருக்கா? At least every student here should ensure that you plant one tree in your premises. And உங்க வீட் மட்டும் இல்லாம உங்க காலனி, உங்களுடைய தெரு, நைட்டா அவென்யூ பிளான்டேஷன் பண்ணலாம். அவென்யூ பிளான்டேஷன் இப்போ ரோட் இருந்ததுன்னா ரெண்டு சைடுமே நீங்கள் நீட்டாக ட்ரீஸ் பிளான்டேஷன் பண்ணால் அது ஒரு 10-15 இயர்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் we can see that effect. Neat greenery can be seen. So do that as the students of the school which has started this initiative on the birthday of your principal. So it will be nice if you can continue this particular initiative and spread it across so that many other students will be inspired, unga neighbors inspire avanga, and also the green cover will automatically increase and it will reduce water pollution levels will come down, water holding capacity will increase, groundwater level will increase, it will give you natural shade, natural cover, and there are so many other benefits. So I'm very happy that you all have come up with this wonderful initiative, and you're all environmentally conscious, distributing the seed balls to all the people around. I congratulate the school and the management and all the students for making almost more than 1,000 balls. And also நீங்க ரொம்ப குவிக்கா எப்படி பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லி எங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் நீட்டா காமிச்சிட்டாங்க. So I congratulate them also for this wonderful demonstration and I wish you all the very best. Thank you.